Hey everybody, it's Dr. Trish and Mr. Benjamin coming to you from our favorite perch in the park. It's a cold and windy October day. The people are out and we're out, and Mr. Benjamin is doing his thing, being here now. Anyhow, I just wanted to say hi and give a shout out to two upcoming events that I'm going to be hosting for you. This coming Tuesday, October 21st, I'm going to be doing my free monthly teleseminar. Your answers lie within. Do-it-yourself tools for healing, wellness, and living. And as usual and as always, I hope to give you simple and easy and effortless tools for finding peace of mind in the moment. That's Benjamin's stick there. Sorry about that little interruption. And the theme of this coming Tuesday's teleseminar is going to be fearlessness. Fearlessness. How can we cultivate fearlessness? And the impact that a fear-free life has on all aspects of our lives. All aspects of our lives. Health, relationships, life path, even finances. And how we can cultivate from a place of peace of mind in the moment, which I'm going to teach you all on Tuesday evening, East Coast time. We can experience incredible miracles in our lives, right, Mr. Benjamin, right? Benjamin's coming in to chime in and say, yeah, you got to be fearless, and you got to be in the moment, and you got to enjoy every breath you take. Sometimes we human beings, our monkey minds get in the way. And speaking on the topic of fearlessness, I also wanted to give a shout out to my new, wonderful, remarkable friend whom I've gotten to know, Gary Ramsey. He's an exceptional human being who has a remarkable story to share about his healing from a cancer diagnosis that he could die at any moment. Gary's written a book to tell his story called Bliss. I've given shout outs to it here elsewhere on my Facebook page. And he and I are going to be doing a Facebook Live in the days to come, and he's going to tell his story and just who he was before his diagnosis, who he is now, and how living a life of fearlessness was a key element to his healing from this incredibly devastating diagnosis. Whoops, Benjamin just lost his stick. Excuse me for this little interruption, but we're going to bring that stick back up there. Hey, Bubby, here you go. And we're going to also hear about the other really interesting therapies that Gary found along his way. His path of fearlessness, his search for healing led him to a very unusual but non-mainstream, unconventional, yet very powerful and scientifically valid medical approach, a medical therapeutic approach for addressing his cancer issue. And we're going to hear more about that on the Facebook Live as well. So stay tuned for two offerings on fearlessness. The Tuesday night teleseminar coming up in a couple days, Tuesday, October 21st, and in days to come, we'll be posting here to remind you my Facebook Live with Gary Ramsey. Be well, take care, cultivate a little stopping in your day to pause and breathe, be in the moment like this guy is. And it is truly the path to fearlessness. And as Gary says, a joy-filled life. Right, Mr. B?
We found a body, actually, one